afro ewo nsu nodo dano ye di nkomo aye 2 days ago ye di nkomo no Jacob na aye Tuesday ye di nkomo no once aka aye chamfine kokwe 18 ewo aye river and cobra nodo na wokwe na roho sami de once ankanyin pe biara anchem na aye eneda so wasan watchia aye da ma kwenti another operation ida once akwa kaka aye chamfine kokwe 21 chamfine ye ma wodi sunsu dia wo bodu totototo a wodu nunsu no mu na o mansu ne wase ya wodu to wo gold wodo kwe ono nti ye hwe 21 plus 18 na ebohu de chamfine afro wa nsi wode siba wada ye juma stretching from Ampese to Dominase a owo river and cobra ni na ye nkrasa o hihye mu pa ewo ankobra no do se efi river and cobra nano baby a bridge no wo edere ko Dominasa Jacob na men ha ha menyu a bakade efi no fa ne de UTV edere baby ti da kaso a dam stretching dam no oti nti so far ne yenya 18 na nda no yenya chamfine 18 na ne da so wenya nkoko 21 ewo nsuno da nkofo na nsinyala task force fi nsuno do no wetum de kwesi nsuno da wori say nsu menwa iti ejakwabra moroko no no ria asan ayenya na UTV anada owa ya mejana iji minim de eboguda keje guma ya nhwe ni yeya nsunenwa reba abese bio ya besra banda nke oma task force no kan no ye river guard task force no wombre ntam dem do obeya bibia I had ma galam say nya na ya galam say reporter about dem abri there is no way ya soja funi finso no da wo beje na secret paul wo mi there dam chamfan ya yehu wotum wo sink ko nsu na afe wenya due bi do nsu no ma woda homa cheche na wa sink chamfan na akọ wo ya ne today submarine nti enam nsu no da elunhu bibia na mbom anadwo no na wetum wa ma chamfan na abasor na woda ye wejuma ana what today task force na reba na woda epia da konsu na ase na wana wa to nsu no mu na wa pe beebi afa nti owe fi wa akọ no na wari ye ejuma wo ba ye nti minyim de oye honorable Frank opinion MC owo Nzema East all for no modini biara na so ye bese danke river guard task force no so umbrella na wontum fanye ejuma nti Jacob na mo wesi wo oye river and Kobe on na rehwe yo
Charles minim sa asam ya kan na nipa na etu galamsey no wo mu firi ye hu mo
ya enne fesiara why dini yara tade Chinese full too but Ghana for na la so ye kan ho pa Ghana for no so wogun so no do pa woguda wo tutu na onye western region nkotin nyen ye stretch no ye mu bi ya akere nti yenyum de everywhere from Ashanti region na leko eastern adina woguwa woguda wo say nsu nenwa ye mu bi ye de bi baba na manfo ehu nti Ghana fu yara na yere bodam be including them Chinese free nti maame minyim pa de say river guards na badia on 24 hours if they are patrolling obobwe until them pa there e Jacob no be they able to
video no na mote ensem no eno no na ya papa e wa hanu ma chese yetua enkomo no so eja wo hwe ekwan a ye empanifo e foso anase wo mo e treat ye galamsey anase illegal mining na ye ne kwan so anu de na betimi aka fa
asemo ya na mehu sese mehu ne a ye beka biem unse de bia meka se see finding innovative ways of solving problems. I said if you are solving problem no approach be a emwa excavators say ashibi but still they are doing it. The law is on the side of the government. Okay. And they be an make us a criminal ochi criminal like a financier no the 20 man no or no say so go after. Okay. Upa 1,000 it will come. Because near 1 year so obey the morning obey. But then What me find ways and means of making the thing safe.
Okay.
Oh, say what me a jaimu say okay, me perceive me yet lost no on Galamsey. Because this thing has been there since our time. I may admit it's almost say you. But in a way to they need to eat. My family as some shop.
Okay.
Until what me shutting pan for how long? If we are not buying or no, you might back money, Galamsey.
Okay.
Until you need to find a way around it. When I hear sure, you got the money. You hear excavators need to work.
Okay.
Into there in the meantime, my shit excavators.
Okay.
Let's bring it back to the Jubilee House. Let's imagine finding in Puntunyuma.
Okay.
But then we need to go implement laws. I bet go after the financiers.
Okay.
Not financiers. No, maybe I bet you sure my business said. I didn't know we are Juma way. Okay, you percent Juma. You need na partner near year Juma. But in saying wow, because who can say on yai on to me yayo? Who yan a day on to me yai? Oh, pass 1,000 on to me yai. Well, ya share, she say, crowd a bit. You see, near year when they say, most of them are buying arms.
Okay.
And say, no police for the car, omnum, well, omnum to two. And serious. And no one, those rebel in Kofono.
Okay.
Because Nippon Oyan or Jessica film. And to find a way of getting the person back into your side than making the person an enemy.
Okay.
Wow, but you say yeah, no, yeah, share, no, yeah, funny, I shall, you're funny, I shall. Besides, say, yeah, share, was here. Now, yeah, share, it's yes, no, I jai, and yayo. Also, Omokwa, no more jai, let's see, so, and your Marcos Organo appear. So just for the choir. Omni baby, I suggest neighbor. It's no more for you. It's one I tap you.
Okay. I just say, yeah, yes,
that is not working.
Okay.
Because so finding ways and means of getting them to work under law instead of working outside the law and keep boy.
But say no, who said then I'm penny and so working under the law, one and a day, one send 1 year woman, one page from mama, and I said, mine in Namuna, one bunch of
mine in Nimuna, young page mano. Share because working outside the law. You see, your 1 year maybe I want to be making unattractive.
Okay.
In a way. Gold mining, in Kofu to the BR. I dated and Kofu with finances no more scar. Yeah, gold mining sectors now as I say, I collapse. Some people want my and yet more. Security hope. I then now own my finances for me institution. Now, all tons are winning more. Mine is not a Daniel money be a moment. Now, I want to be with you in so dear. Because one man a Juma now, it's all compared Juma or say, okay, it's a oh, okay, some more scan your walk, more equipment, okay, aha, gold waha, but in 2 billion, Mutua, abiding the Muslim DNA. It's not and no moment better than Jenny Ashe.
No cray.
Well, innovations, and say, Nipana, what you will with me, I thinking outside the box. Yes, so you're penny at Roberts now. I guess a penny, you be 1 plus 2. Penny be or better, so 1 plus 1 cry 4. On how to go about it to you. But oh, yeah, in a normal way to say, Ghana, your pescapania to fool also. And your mother be all high, bit me, you. Not the be higher back, yeah, she no, what's she no there? Fight, yeah, but in fact, we need to find a way of dissolving the issue.
Okay.
You know more and tenacity. Me, your shop say, you know, tenacity. I say, you know, tenacity illegal for no. Be some on my conscience. I then I'm 2 on you.
Okay.
More chon into 2. Okay. A moon war, but when him say change gold war.
Okay.
Aside in you no. There was one time I'm share video be me person about guy need him go on women. Me share I'm share. But America.
Okay.
Almost 2 gold no say, no so no say.
Okay.
What I say? Almost go so anymore. But close.
Okay.
And you dare not do it. And besides, say, I then the hot year, because the laws are working.
Okay.
And if you do it, yeah, the punishment is a man. A quack or canny pan or finance. But I had me, I said, let's chase them. Who chase your man? They always on my quiet, moving around 24 hours. Who can now come and be into the no way. Omudu Sabeka, Nankofono, Achimota. Okay. Omuya do Achimota, no Sababeka. It's 1 year.
1 year, yeah.
So the phone to me far, so the phone come back site at once.
Okay.
80, let's sit them down. Let's craft another way of solving it. Me there before say this me come me say I too much.
I too much.
I too much. Emwa.
Na uhu ne se wo ka se ye aban no emfa wo mu ho engine no nipa no so ohwese bi aban ne de no ho babagim ebi anka sika okọ ono a ede ne pe ekwa anka ede wo benya no wo de ne ho bebe sha aban ne mu a eno no enya de so wo benya ne sa because wanya hu se we de eya me ame nkrofo de ana se aban ne hu se we de we me ame nipa de o kwan obefa so obechi mo mo nsa ama omanya eye the higher percentage nya nipa na wo ye adwuma no onu mom no krampo no wonya enti wono a wotena se na wadwen wan no hu so okay aban no edi no hu bebagim no kra still no me ho kire me nya se de me pa hu nse still obesa go back to eye ne dada mu ana.
No, you see, in life you need to be smart.
Okay.
You need to be very smart. So one who say conform to gold, maybe I tuomo ahe sika ka fiyendi. Na o dem ra hye ho say o ma me 50% na ebi ani tuom 500 so tuom 1000.
Okay.
You've bought the minds of people no mo ye adwuma no.
Na wo mu so ba wo hwe ya memwo yi ne de empanifo ya on be ye ne sa.
Na say adwen no na me hu ne e ko no. Because adwen no e online na near make easy to do. Easy to do because say oba na wo bono na on change ya o find another way. Abroad no it will find out another way of engaging him on a different level.
Okay.
But engagement in them course here. They be an yes let's chase them. Chasing up him.
Okay.
What chasing up him? Nothing is happening. It be sound say what else can I do to solve this situation permanently? Bring laws. Okay, let's engage you people. Let's work with you. And no, they will sit down and no say, oh, okay. Because only say risk go. I'm saying, only say, good. It is say, ability to me provided or far obia or nimu no provided alternative, less risky way. Now or propose it to you. You accept his. Oh, in your mood, oh, near me come. Yet from the dangers of even inhaling salary. It's a deep and also no. No can say, oh, make quite a member. Where's some money? Okay. Now I'm coming. Not much me and yet, and not much me enjoy musica. Musica the crowd. You met me that to learn some mamma. Wow, oh, money panel. I dream me say, ah, Sika me cry me yamidi. But myself, when you nya or the baby yammy. So let me do it. Okay. But what chasing the panel there? M1 queer. M1. M1 that.
Na ye nipa ye nso so a ye mampanyi ama ye hunu se nya na se ye hunu se ye galam se sei enso ye sei chese ye nyoma ede wo how ebeba na nso so ye nso ye adwen se ye beye no ye bo apaye na ye na se de because nka munim se ensu tade de ye ensu chese etene fa enkrofo mantwe eno na binom de ye nua na bi na dum binum so ede ye nyoma dodo na wo sai no na ye pe o man no enkoso na ye say ye po man no empu ahwe ase because do na esusu a wo mu ni say ya ma ye mra no mu ayefo ama wo bi eframa no ne eba wonim se wo man we mu de enam so mo bobosia wo ye wonti no chese ye bobra mu a ye betimi aye de pe bia because ye ntimi free ye mam enko China se ye kwakwa kotu eye gold wo honom enye ye ba wo mutimi ba hanom ebebebetu esanso ese ye nso abraye nya hwe enka emfa enti ye mra no na emu aye loose e de ama yen a eno nti no yen susu timamufo no ye ntimi nya bibia mfa emu anka se okay se wo mo frama no ne na eba omo baba be se nso a ye na ekro no eye dia enti ye bo ho eban ama na ye yie
okay oh so about China di na about Ghana me be choose so woman
okay
what was say China notice bibi some more labor
sure
nipa good into labor na cheap in order say obi me form nko no create employment
okay
create employment and the people were proud to own China but Ghana ni no who say poverty and you who says you say right onim say onim
aso
ba commode no akua commode no
enti community no won dwen chiri ma
na he no obi a obo ahyawo obi oton cocaine ofo say onim say enye onim say ye ba commode no enti na make us say we need to find innovative ways of doing it. China find or turning population there so no and or the year no in favor of himself of no into a mom ye adwuma China products everywhere China. But Ghana, you were skilled workforce, but because they can't find work to do, they'll use it. Into the government need to go down on what's it called? Lost in their whole lost now. But you see, formulation of policies, no.
Okay.
And only assembly. I saw to me pen for be on my being room. What to be told? I didn't hear anything. Anything you could be. In that massa. Forget it. Ever.
Mr. Members, yeah, the uncommon did you know and Sam from years they say suicide air cost war many any a year you tag for nay be so I bind on your mind was so provided man phobia. There's a one to me and ye Eddie Besigal am say and some no else on then I bet me I can find out where's now or foot to award the member bonus no what they are to Jania day as here and
yeah, share your mind ye, ya will my back pay a friend in Ghana. Any might be a be oya chem oya kwabu oya I be oya dagomba oya Ghana. While sometimes let's love our country a bit. Now you enjoy the beer me pe no. I buy them so Jessica say no. O minister is an kwasake no. Also all they are. Minister no what mean sake no. And I'm a sake them out. Well now you right. And then I'm say for no. Yeah, let's find alternative means of working around it. They are more. So yes, no more come back to barracks. No more care or now government engage them in a matured way from their adults. Now mo be some say identity na omo essence you know. Omo chairman now finding way around it. Sa pepe na meka. Yendo your mind. Why?
Yo, yendo my neighbors you for say Mr. Ben Bruce edinensem no atu edwa eno no. Once we dwen chefa ensemi ho no. Fabra ebebetu edwa e too much GH your comment section like a videos na share on all the social media platforms so follow your IG page and your Twitter page so atuma GH _ na aha enam dimo AC bidia ene ekia sikapa that's na yebesan edi ehia ebi makram
Theophilus Anani so best media school in Ghana there and too much multimedia college we say equipment apapa a church for our quadruple ewadisium any air conditioned room there the media law advertising camera handling and marketing there and location Abeka Free Park Junction Fanamba ne boise na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na memo bi kasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambukacious ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep